Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rocket popsicles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 different fruit juices like cherry, lemon lime, and blue raspberry to create those iconic layers. Also, make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready. A little sugar or sweetener can enhance the flavors, but it's optional. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious project. Now, let's create the first layer of your rocket pops. Carefully pour your chosen first juice, perhaps the red cherry, into each popsicle mold. Fill them approximately 1/3 of the way. This precision helps create distinct color separation. Place the molds into the freezer for about 45 minutes or until this layer is mostly firm but not completely solid. This prevents the next layer from mixing. Once your first layer is firm, it's time for the second. Gently pour in your next juice, like the lemon lime, filling another 1/3 of the mold. This is also the perfect time to insert your popsicle sticks, ensuring they stand upright. Return the molds to the freezer. After another 45 minutes, or when the second layer is firm, add your final blue raspberry juice to fill the molds completely. With all 3 layers in place, it's time for the final freeze. Place your rocket pops back into the freezer for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When you're ready to enjoy them, run a little warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds. This helps loosen the popsicles, making them easy to slide out. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.